We've done an incredible job with Syria. When I took over Syria, it was infested with ISIS. It was all over the place. And now you have very little ISIS, and you have the caliphate almost knocked out.
The Middle East in the Trump era is sailing in uncharted waters. Withdrawing from the Iran nuclear deal, the Gulf crisis threatens oil prices. Syria, as Assad regains control. Saudi Arabia and the Khashoggi's murder. Gaza protests continue. U.S. moves its embassy to Jerusalem. So if you're wondering what Trump's doctrine is for the Middle East this year, let's have a look. On Iran, more political and economic pressure. On Syria, announcing a withdrawal of U.S. troops, leaving Washington's allies, the Kurds and Israel, unhappy with the decision. Syrian President Bashar al-Assad, with the support of his allies, Hezbollah, Iran and Russia, has gained the upper hand and looks more and more as having consolidated his power for now. On Afghanistan, Trump says he wants to decrease U.S. military presence there, and serious talks are underway with the Taliban. On Iraq, it seems the U.S. will stay for now to keep an eye on neighboring Iran. And on the all-elusive Middle East peace deal, known as the deal of the century, U.S. officials say it will be introduced this spring. Trump's popularity at home soared after recognizing Jerusalem as the capital of Israel and moving the U.S. embassy to the holy city.
From Tel Aviv to Jerusalem.
But the decision left many Arab and Muslim allies across the Middle East furious, including Palestinians who've cut all communications with Washington.
I think President Trump tonight disqualified the United States of America to play any role in any peace process.
As Russians move in to expand their influence and protect their interests, is the U.S. backing out? In anticipation for the deal of the century, both allies and adversaries wait to see what role this president plans to play in this volatile region. Mohammad Al-Kassim, I-24 News.